Are you experiencing dramatically cold and familiar freezing winter these days? Even if one isn't a poet per se, but then again the amateurish poets seated within might as well wonder as to why this year's winter feels particularly intense. The elusive answer to the question which beams the mind might as well lie thousands of miles away in the Pacific Ocean, where the La Niña effect in a nuanced way is shaping the expansive subcontinent's climate. This is worth mentioning here that La Niña literally translates into little girl in Spanish. La Niña is also sometimes called El Vello, Anti-El Nino, or simply a cold event. La Niña has the opposite effect of El Nino. During La Niña events, trade winds are even stronger than usual, pushing more warm water towards Asia. Furthermore, off the west coast of the Americas, upwelling increases, bringing cold, nutrient-rich water to the surface. If this winter phenomena is explained, then these cold waters in the Pacific push the jet stream northward. This tends to lead to drought in the southern US and heavy rains and flooding in the Pacific Northwest and Canada. During a La Niña year, winter temperatures are warmer than normal in the south and cooler than normal in the north. Also, La Niña can also lead to a more severe hurricane season. Further back home, India is bracing for an unusually cold winter this year. India Meteorological Department forecasting a La Niña event. Viewers, this isn't a lesson in climate science, but then again, for the unfamiliar, La Niña is a phase of the El Nino Southern Oscillation or ENSO cycle, which is characterized by cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the eastern Pacific Ocean. This phenomenon occurs when trade winds intensify, pushing warm surface waters westward and allowing cold water to upwell along the South American coast. This shift affects the global atmospheric circulation, significantly impacting weather patterns worldwide. Back home in India, La Niña is associated with colder and wetter winters. Even as La Niña brings above average rainfall back home, unlike its counterpart El Nino, which is scientifically linked to drought, its effect may differ across the nation, namely states situated in northern India, the South India, Northeast and Eastern India, and last but not the least, West India. As far as northern states as Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir are likely to experience harsh winter conditions with temperatures expected to drop as low as 3 degrees Celsius, leading to long cold spells, heavy snowfall and freezing winter that may disrupt regular life. La Niña intensifies the northeast monsoon season during October to December, further resulting in heavy rainfall across Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Cyclonic activity involving the Bay of Bengal, Cyclone Fengal in Tamil Nadu may also increase, posing the potential for localized flooding. In the context of Northeast and East India, regions situated in this part of the nation experience increased pre-monsoon and monsoon rainfall during La Nina years. The La Nina effect is considered beneficial for agriculture, but it also raises the risk of flooding in states like Assam and Bihar. News Desk Report, Any News.